And that's another job done. We have the waterfall taps with a small hand basin and the vanity unit. There was a couple of problems while I was fitting this here, so let's see. I got it well. Quite chuffed for that. So then we have the vanity bit, the problem that we had. So that's the bottle waste. And then obviously all the fittings coming out, 290 degrees coming out of the bottle trap, and then straight down into the waste outside. Now, one of the problems that I did have was the isolating valves were pointing left and right, and I had to loosen them, turn them around. They were quite old, and then I was afraid of them leaking. So isolating valves are on, flexi pipes running up into the top. Nice shallow bottle trap, and it's a nice soft close. So there we go. So that's it. Another job done. So that's another one ticked. So that's radiator done, sink done, lights done. The next to do would be the toilet. I'm just waiting for the pan to come. Tomorrow I am starting the cubicle for the shower.